You can hear it, can't you? The sky tearing open every few seconds. I'm sitting here, listening to it too. Bonfire Night. And it's funny how something so violent can be so beautiful from far away. All that noise, all that chaos, and yet the lights just float. For a few seconds they own the sky, and then they fade like nothing happened. Kind of poetic, isn't it? How something so explosive still ends in silence. It made me think of you. How, even from miles apart, you light up everything. Not with noise or sparks, but with the way you exist quietly, and still make it impossible not to notice. You remind me of that glow after the fireworks die out, the one that lingers when it's over. And here's the thing, I like the distance tonight, because it means I can close my eyes and imagine the way you'd see it. I can picture it so perfectly, the flashes painting your face, the light bending just for you, the sound echoing through your chest. You're not a firework though. You're the spark after. The quiet hum of danger and comfort all tangled together. You burn steady, not to be watched, but to be felt. And I feel you, even now, in all the noise, in the dark, in the echo. So if you hear the sky tonight, think of me too. Not watching you, just feeling you, the same way I always do when the world burns bright for a few seconds before it goes quiet again. And remember, you're my favourite kind of chaos, the one I never want to end.